his Lord Krishna. She used many colors.
అంటే క్రియేటివిటీ అనేది ఎవరిది లోపల ఎట్లుందో ఇట్లా చిన్న చిన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చేస్తుంటేనే బయటికి వస్తుంటుంది.
What is that?
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అండి. ఈరోజు గౌతమ్ మోడల్ స్కూల్లో ఆర్ట్ ఫెస్టివల్ చేయడం జరిగింది. దాంట్లో వాళ్ళ మైండ్లో ఉన్న కొత్త కొత్త థాట్స్ తోటి వాళ్ళు తయారు చేసిన బొకేస్ అండి ఇవి. చూడండి, బొకేస్ అండ్ హ్యాంగింగ్స్ దే డిడ్ వెరీ వెల్. మనం అనుకోం ఇంత క్రియేటివిటీ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది అనేసి. సో ఇది గౌతమ్ మోడల్ స్కూల్ భువనగిరి బ్రాంచ్ లో జరిగిన ఆర్ట్ ఫెస్టివల్. నా ముందున్నాయి చూడండి, ఒక్కొక్కటి ఎంత అందంగా ఉన్నాయో. పిల్లల్లో హిడెన్ టాలెంట్ ఉంటుంది. అలాంటి హిడెన్ టాలెంట్ ని బయట పెట్టడానికే ఈ రోజు ఈ ఆర్ట్ ఫెస్టివల్ జరపడం జరిగింది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ దోస్ హూ మేడ్ వెరీ వెల్. చూడండి ఎంత అందంగా ఉన్నాయో. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
What is that?
Flower vase.
Flower vase. With which materials you have prepared that?
I made with color papers.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this evening where creativity takes flight and there are no bounds. Let your skill get explored and your exhibits make everybody cheer. And you look so good in making your skills that makes everybody cheer. And really, we feel so mesmerizing to see the art in your hands. Let it flourish and take the name of Gautam Model School on a hike. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today in Gautam Model School, Bongir branch, going to be celebrating the Fine Arts Fest. So, from first class to 9th class students are participated in different activities. So, see, 9th class students are here. 9th class children are done that vegetable or fruit carving, and that by the usage of the jute waterways, the 9th class students are done that very good, useful material. And see that here hanging. These are all should done by the 9th class students. So we are very happy to see these all. Not only in the education, our children are participated in the different activities. Okay, so heartily we are congratulating to our Gautam Model School. Thank you.
Have you seen this girl's beautiful creation? His Lord Krishna. She used many colors of charts and with filling papers.
What is your name, ma?
Aditya.
Aditya. Which class you are?
6th.
6th class. What is this? What is this? Material?
Flower vase.
Flower vase. Okay, you from which materials you have made it?
Newspaper and this materials. Thermocol balls.
Very good, very good. Madam, can you మీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ చెప్తారా ఎలా ఉంది?
ఫస్ట్ టైం కదా, పిల్లలు బాగానే ట్రై చేశారు.
బాగా ట్రై చేశారు.
అంటే క్రియేటివిటీ అనేది ఎవరిది లోపల ఎట్లుందో ఇట్లా చిన్న చిన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చేస్తుంటేనే బయటికి వస్తుంటుంది. బాగుంది.
బాగుంది మేడం. మీ కమెంట్స్?
పర్లేదు సార్, ట్రై చేసారు మాక్సిమం.
ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్, మా? టాక్. Manasa. Which class you are? 6th class. What is the material that you have prepared?
Color papers.
Only color paper. What is that? Flower bouquet. Very nice. How you prepared this, ma? What are the materials you have used to prepare that?
Gum, scissor, color papers and bubbles.
Okay, all bubbles. And what is this art?
Huh?
What is that? What is the name of it?
Flower pot.
Flower pot. Okay, very nice.
It's beautiful.
Hi, Anna.
How you make that, man, Nana?
We make that with color papers, sir. Color papers.
Okay.
color papers and glue, and with rose flowers.
What you have made? What is this?
Flower bouquet.
Okay, paper flower bouquet, right?
yes.
What is your name?
Sai Pratik sir.
Sai Pratik. From which class you are?
60 sir.
Sixth class. Okay, very good.
What is the art? Explain. Can you explain? Chapra.
This is a whale.
Okay.
This tortoise, and this is a octopus, and this raptor, and this is a jellyfish. This is water snake, and this is sharkfish. This is one then one thing of the ornaments. This is a fish, and this starfish over. This is aquatic animals.
Welcome to an evening where imagination takes flight and creativity knows no bounds. I am Pankaja Venkatesham and we are about to explore the vibrant world of fine arts. This evening, we witness art in its many forms, a celebration of vision, emotion, and skill that transcend barriers. Let's dive into this magical journey. Art has no boundaries, and our performers prove it. Get ready to be swept away by a story told through movement, a dance that embodies grace and power. Indeed, let's welcome all the children to explore their talent and show their skills. Thank you.